Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock chat on WhatsApp. So in order to unlock chat, we gotta know how do we lock chat in the first place. So before doing anything, go ahead and double check if the WhatsApp needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. If it doesn't, just jump right into the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up the WhatsApp, and let's say for example you want to lock one chat, and let's say for example I want to go to this chat, right? I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click on the number or the name at the top, and basically what you gotta do, you gotta just scroll a little bit down, and you will see right here encryption, disappearing messages, and lock chat. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just toggle this one on, and I'm gonna confirm it by a Face ID. So once you confirm it by a Face ID, you can see that the chat will be disappear right here in the locked chat, right? So you get, if you scroll up right here, you'll see the search locked chat in the archived. Just go ahead right here to the locked chat, and you will see the chats that you already locked. And let's say for example I want to go to this chat and I want to unlock it. I'm gonna just go ahead into their name at the top, scroll a little bit down until you find the locked chat, just unlock it by toggle it off, and just confirm it with the Face ID, and it will be disappeared from the locked chats. The same goes for this chat. If you want to unlock it, click on their name or number, just scroll a little bit down, toggle off the locked chat, confirm it with the Face ID, and now the locked chat has been have been disappeared. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.